The Guppy Multiple Moving Average, or GMMA, is designed to show how short-term and longer-term price trends are behaving at the same time. On TN Trader, open the market and chart you want to analyze, then open the Indicators menu and select Guppy Multiple Moving Average. Once added, the indicator appears directly over price as two groups of exponential moving averages. The short-term group uses periods of 3, 5, 8, 10, 12, and 15. These averages respond more quickly to recent price movement. The longer-term group uses 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 60 periods. These move more slowly and provide a broader view of the prevailing trend. Rather than concentrating on one individual moving average, the Guppy indicator is mainly about the relationship between the two groups. When both groups are rising and the shorter-term averages remain above the longer-term averages, this can indicate an established upward trend. When both groups are falling, with the shorter-term averages below the longer-term group, it can indicate a downward trend. The amount of separation also matters. When the averages spread apart and move consistently in the same direction, momentum within the trend is stronger. When they begin to contract, overlap, or move sideways, it suggests the trend is losing momentum or the market is moving into consolidation. A crossover between the groups can highlight a possible change in trend. If the faster averages move from below to above the slower group, momentum is shifting upwards. A move from above to below suggests momentum is shifting downwards. However, the crossover itself should not be treated as an automatic trading signal. Moving averages are based on past prices and can produce repeated crossovers when the market is moving sideways. The Guppy can also help when assessing pullbacks. During a well-established trend, the short-term averages may contract towards the longer-term group before expanding again. This can show where the shorter-term price movement is beginning to align with the broader trend once more. To adjust the indicator on TN Trader, right-click the Guppy Multiple Moving Average and open its settings. From here, you can review the available inputs and change its appearance to make the two groups easier to distinguish. The key is to look beyond a single crossover. The direction, spacing, and interaction between the two groups provide the broader picture, helping you assess whether a trend is strengthening, weakening, or beginning to change.